Nutrition Month celebrates the vital role of nutrition in health, raising awareness of its impact on disease prevention and quality of life. Batangas State University and the National Engineering University, through their Center for Sustainable Development, actively participate for this day, aligning with SDGs number 2, number 3, and number 11. The university is committed to promoting health and well-being by providing specialized offices for health and nutrition services and ensuring quality nutrition services for all university members.
Si Nurse Felix Mendoza, Nurse 1, dito sa Services Office ng Batangas State University. Bali ngayon pa lang ngayon ang enrollment. So kami nagpa-practice ngayon ng mga medical at assessment na papasok ng mga bata para sa enrollments. Nag-assess din kami ng mga pre-employment na gusto mag-work dito. Magawa kami ng assessment, evaluation, titingnan namin kung mga findings, mga papasok ng mga bata o sayado, clearance, kumaan natin ng mga medical requirements, including na x-ray, typing, drug test.
Are there specific programs po that promotes quality nutrition in the university? First po is yung about po sa healthy diet, yung second po ay health practices, and third po is yung quality nutrition services po.
Tulad ng meron tayong lunch na for this coming August na naman. Meron tayong lunch na Spartan Living 16. So, abangan natin yun. At may mga implementation tayong activities na nangyayari. Kaya maganda mag-participate tayo, mag-join tayo sa program na yun. Napakaganda ng program na yun. Ang health services, nandito kami para mag-guide, magbigay ng advice, lalo na sa mga health problems, nutrition, lifestyle, sa ER, lalo pwede kami, like ng mga acidic, kung ano dapat na food na nararapat, kung anong i-avoid, mag-health teaching tayo doon para makaiwas din tayo sa isa pa, itong ating canteen. Bago maglabas ng food, yan ay ina-assess or ini-evaluate bago i-share sa estudyante o sa mas madaling naman mag-promote ngayon, lalo na may mga social media. Pwede nating i-spread out natin ang better knowledge o mas maganda yung appropriate info about healthy diet. Pwede tayo pa-seminar, mga bigay ng brochure, leaflets, July, ayun nga, sa this coming August, kung sa August, lalo si Spartan 360, maganda yun. Ayun, yung rational yun is na para mag-physical fitness, team building, interactive workshops and seminars. So maganda, abangan natin yun, mag-participate, mag-join tayo.